The next dish needs no introduction. We are kicking it off fried rice style today. And yes, I know there are so many delicious varieties of fried rice out there, but the good news is, if you know one technique, you can pretty much do them all. So my name is Andong and this is how to make Chinese fried rice at home. Okay, rice. You actually get the best results if you use leftover rice from the day before, which is also said to be the origin story of fried rice actually, using up leftovers. But you can also just make regular rice and spread it out on a baking tray to let it cool. But keep in mind that only completely cooled down rice will actually result in that grain by grain texture that we want. Your cold fried rice will be really sticky, so breaking it down into small patches will make frying later much easier. Egg. What would fried rice be without an egg? I like to use 1 egg per person and adding a pinch of salt, a splash of water, and optional Chinese cooking wine. Helps the texture of the egg. Fry it in some oil on high heat, gently stirring until it's just firmed up entirely. Meat. So you can use fresh meat or seafood. Cut it into little chunks and just prep it with a little bit of cornstarch, salt and sugar. Fry up with some minced ginger and minced spring onions and set aside. And of course, leftover meat also works great. I have some beef from the day before. All I have to do is to cut it into small cubes and set aside. Eat your veggies. Of course, you can use anything you like, but the classic ingredients would be peas and carrots. Peas actually have the perfect size, so make sure you cut the other veggies accordingly for perfect fried rice harmony. And lastly, spring onions. Yes, it is true, something as simple as a spring onion will actually take your fried rice to the next level. Slice up your spring onion and keep the green parts and the white parts separated. I will show you in a second what you can do with that. Finally, frying. So the shape of a wok is quite perfect for this dish, but a large frying pan will also do the trick. Now in any Chinese restaurant, that wok will actually carry a lot of seasoning and flavor and smokiness. There's just no great way to cheat that flavor. But we can get pretty close, and here's how. After heating some oil in your wok, add a few dried chilies and fry them for a couple of seconds. These chilies will release some delicious smoky aromas to sort of honor that wok flavor. Alright, so now is the time to add in the white part of the spring onions. This will sort of infuse our whole dish with that rich oniony goodness. Now add in your leftover meat and slow cooking vegetables such as carrots and stir fry. Now add in the freshly cooked meat, we used shrimps before, fast cooking vegetables such as peas and your egg. And stir fry again. Last but not least, add your loosened cool rice. And now stir fry and stir fry. Break up those rice clumps by pushing them against the bottom of the pan. So after about 3 minutes you can season with salt, pepper, a splash of soy sauce, and no matter what you say, I will add MSG. Okay, stir fry one last time and only in the very last moment add in the green part of your chopped spring onion and drizzle with some sesame oil. This fried rice, you guys, will bring world peace. The texture and flavor is just perfect. All those individual grains are sort of massaging your mouth from within, and I'm realizing this doesn't sound as good as I hope. Alright, this is it guys. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite variety of fried rice is, and definitely also let me know if you have any recipe requests. Drop me a like if you enjoyed this video, and also head over to my channel for more easy, delicious Chinese recipes and so much more. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.